Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope all of you are doing well. Dear students, prayer is a state of mind where an amazing exchange happens. We hand over our worries to Allah Almighty and He hands over His blessings to us. So, have faith and keep praying. I am teacher Layla Shermeen from Junior Boys School. I am home teacher for class 1. What will you learn from today's lesson? By the end of the lesson, you will be able to learn about the nouns, recognize and identify everyday objects, people, places and animals, and pick out the nouns from the given sentences. You can see different pictures in this slide. First one is the picture of a family. Next, you can see different animals. And in the last picture, you can see different things. Dear students, आप भी घर में अपनी फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ रहते हैं और उन फैमिली मेंबर्स को किसी न किसी नाम से बुलाते हैं। इसी तरह एनिमल्स को भी हम उनके स्पेसिफिक नेम से बुलाते हैं। इसके अलावा जितनी भी चीज़ें हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं उनका भी कोई ना कोई नाम होता है। So, do you know in grammar what are all these names called? In English grammar, all the names are called noun. And this is the topic of our today's lesson. Noun. Everything that we see around us has a name. So, nouns are the name of persons, places, animals and things. प्यारे बच्चों, हम अपने इर्द गिर्द जो कुछ भी देखते हैं उन सब का कोई ना कोई नाम होता है। लोग, जानवर, जगह और जितनी चीज़ें भी हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो नाम के बगैर नहीं हैं, बल्कि उन सब को हम स्पेसिफिक नेम से बुलाते हैं और उन तमाम नेम्स को नाउन कहते हैं। So, what is a noun? We can say that a noun is a word that represents a person, a place, an animal, a thing. So, noun का एक दूसरा नाम भी होता है। Nouns are also called naming words. Naming words, nouns. Both are same. दोनों का एक ही मतलब है। So nouns are also called naming words. So dear children, let's learn more about nouns. Name of persons are nouns. There are so many people around us. We call them by some name. हमारे इर्द गिर्द बहुत से लोग होते हैं जिनको हम किसी न किसी नाम से बुलाते हैं। For example, father, girl, teacher, doctor. इन सब के नेम्स हैं और हम इनको इन्हीं नेम्स से बुलाते हैं। So next is name of places. Places around us also have names. So बहुत सी जगहों पे हम जाते हैं, उन सब जगहों को भी हम किसी न किसी नाम से बुलाते हैं। So some of those places are school, park, market, and bus stop. Next is name of animals. We see different animals in our surroundings. We call animals by their names too. अल्लाह ताला ने दुनिया में बहुत से जानवर पैदा किए हैं और तमाम जानवरों का कोई ना कोई नाम है. For example, fish, lion, elephant, cow. Next is name of things. We use lot of things every day. These things also have names. डेली लाइफ में हम बहुत सी चीज़ें इस्तेमाल करते हैं और उनको भी किसी न किसी नाम से पुकारते हैं हम. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, ट्री, केक, book and pencil, flower. So children, I hope you have completely understood the concept of noun. Now it's time to check your understanding. You are going to pick out the nouns from the following sentences. Number 1 sentence is, the boy is playing with a toy. The boy is playing with a toy. So you have to find nouns in these sentences. आपने इस sentence में names ढूंढने हैं. So let's see. Yes, the noun in the sentences in this sentence are boy and toy. Because boy is the name of a person and toy is the name of a thing. Next sentence is, the cat is sleeping on a rug. The cat is sleeping on a rug. So you can pick out the nouns, which are cat and rug. Cat is the name of an animal and rug is the name of a thing. So cat and rug both are noun. Number 3 sentence is, the girl has a basket. The girl has a basket. Now we have to pick out nouns in this sentence. Yes children, girl and basket both are noun. Girl is the name of a person and basket is the name of a thing. Number 4 sentence is, the frog is sitting on a leaf. The frog is sitting on a leaf. So, can you locate the nouns from this sentence? Yes, the nouns in this sentence are frog and leaf. Frog is the name of an animal and leaf is the name of a thing. Number 5 sentence is, the children are at the zoo. The children are at the zoo. So the noun in this sentence are children and zoo. Children is the name of person and zoo is the name of a place. So dear children, we have come to the end of today's lesson. So, what you have learned in this lesson? You have learned that noun is a naming word. Noun is a naming word which is the name of person, place, animal and a thing. So it's time for home assignment. Question is, you have to write down the name of the following pictures. Some pictures are given and you have to write the names of these pictures. So children, it's time to say Allah Hafiz. Take good care of yourself and do practice. Okay children, Allah Hafiz.